Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can print a picture on Pinterest. So you are going to open the picture that you want to print. Then you are just going to save it as like an image first. Open file here. Then you're just going to select print. And you can kind of adjust like the photo size here. If you want to add more than 2 photos, I think you can do that. Here you can also select the orientation, portrait or landscape. You can select the paper size here and the photo size as well. You can also adjust the margin and the fill. There's more settings here if you'd like to. But yeah, once you're done, you're just going to hit the print button. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!